Hi friends, I'm Anna from Crochet with Anna, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this very easy and cute newborn girl hat. Now let me tell you what you need for this baby hat. For this newborn girl hat you will need 2 colors, worsted weight yarn, 5mm hook, yarn needle, scissors, and this plastic butterfly. Now let's start our baby hat. I will start the hat with slip knot, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, join to the first chain, now you have a small ring. Now chain 2, and I will make 11 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I'm ready with the first round. I have 11 stitches, I don't count chain 2 as a stitch. Now join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch, and we continue with the second round. Chain 2. Now I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch around, and when I finish second round I will have 22 stitches. Please count your stitches. I finished second round and I have 22 stitches. Join to the first stitch of the round. Now we start third round. Chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the second stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, again 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat till the end of the round, and when you finish third round you should have 33 stitches. I'm ready with the third round. Please count your stitches. You should have 33 stitches. Now join to the first stitch of the round and we continue with round 4. Chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Two double crochet in the third stitch. One double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Two double crochet in the third stitch. Again, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Two double crochet in the third stitch. Repeat it 9 times and then make 1 double crochet in the last 6 stitches, and when you finish round 4 you should have 42 stitches, and then we will stop increasing. Now I will make 1 double crochet in the last 6 stitches. And I'm ready with round 4. I have 42 stitches and I will stop increasing. Now we continue with round 5. Join, chain 2. Now make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. And I'm ready with round 5. Now join, we continue with round 6. I will repeat round 5 from round 6 to round 9. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Now you can pause the video and we will meet at the end of round 9 and we will start round 10 together. I'm ready with round 9. Now Join and change with the second yarn, and we start the last round, round 10. Chain 1. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2 and single crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, single crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, single crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat till the end of the round. Now skip the last stitch and join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn and weave in ends. And my newborn girl hat is ready. I will sew the plastic butterfly, and I think the hat is very cute. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Till next time.